Are you curious what's new in the marketplace for Flight Simulator 2020 focused on activities? Then this is the video for you. Let's roll the intro and then let's look at the details. This week we only have one developer, it's VA Systems. They released tons of packages, mainly the summer 2025 packages. So where we discussed the winter 2024 packages already for an extended time, it's now time for the summer 2025 packages, which they released for multiple airliners, such as American Airlines. In this case, it contains more than 1,300 distinct routes with 11 aircraft types. Liveries are included, but keep in mind that the aircraft is something which you might need to buy separately before you can use those liveries. But still pretty nice, right? If you don't know where to fly to, then this could be one of the packages which you consider to buy. Then we've got British Airways, also the summer 2025 packages. Almost 400 distinct routes, 14 aircraft types. And you will get the BA liveries, including, let's say, some legacy ones, right? Because this is the modern one which are used, but also some legacy ones which you can apply to the aircraft if you own the aircraft, of course. Then we've got China Southern Airlines, also the Southern Summer 2025 package, 970 distinct routes, 30 aircraft types. And then you can fly around the world using this nice livery. For example, apply to the Boeing 787, which by default only included in the more expensive version of Flight Simulator, or apply to one of the other aircrafts if you own them. Then Qantas Air schedules. Also roughly 280 distinct routes, 17 aircraft types, including the one for the Airbus A380, but of course that one is not included, so keep that in mind. So you need to buy that aircraft separately before you can apply this nice livery, and then you can fly around the world using one of the schedules. For Emirates, same thing, 406 distinct routes, 5 aircraft types, and the liveries are included. But again, here you can see the Airbus A380, which is not by default included in Flight Simulator. So you might need to buy the aircraft itself before you can use these nice liveries. Then we're jumping to the airport schedules because they also jumped from the winter 2024 to the summer 2025 packages. And the first one is London Heathrow. 214 distinct routes, 75 airlines and 32 aircraft types. So more liveries, including the legacy British Airways, Virgin Atlantic, British Airways, the newer ones. Also, you can see that you got them for a different variety of aircrafts, but you might need to buy the aircraft itself because it's not included in Flight Simulator. Scrolling down the list, the next one. Similar package compared to the previous one. In this case for Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International, 250 distinct routes, 44 airlines and 36 aircraft types. For example, Spirit is included, but also Delta, of course, and some other airliners. I'm just clicking randomly. Frontier, for example, is there. So pretty cool. Then we've got Dubai International Airport. 265 distinct routes, 94 airlines and 33 aircraft types, including the livery for the Emirates A380. This one, of course, is not included by default, the aircraft, but the livery is. So if you own the aircraft, you can apply it. Then we've got Sydney Kingford Smith Airport. How many flights do we have there? 94 distinct routes, 57 airlines and 31 aircraft types. Again, you can only apply the livery if you own the aircraft. So it could be that some of the liveries you can't apply them because you don't own the aircraft. Virgin Australia is included, including Qantas, of course, and some other regional airliners, including the livery for the A380. Then we've got Beijing Capital International. 155 distinct routes, 56 airlines and 27 aircraft types are included, including Air China livery. If you own the aircraft, you can apply it, including other aircraft or airliners, I should say, like Hainan Airlines and other cool ones. So pretty cool and a lot of variety. And that's where we end this video, because the last one is of course an airport, which shouldn't be there. So we've got 10 new items in this category, mainly from VA Systems. So pretty nice. If you're now searching for some more, let's say, new airports, or maybe some scenery enhancements, or maybe some aircraft or aircraft liveries, then have a look at the description of this video, because I'll link to those videos as well. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you back next week.